So I decided to make a video on how to install SASS out of frustration. So let's go ahead. First, we're going to sas-lang.com/install. So let's go to GitHub. And the instruction says to install SASS, download one of the packages below and add it to your path, or see the SASS website for installation instruction. So we're just going to download this file, assuming that you're on Windows. So this is the file that is inside this zipped folder. We're going to extract it somewhere we want it to be. So I probably want it to be in the program files. So this is the folder I'm selecting. Extract it there. Continue. So there's that, and let's see if SASS is working. It isn't working. So the next thing we're going to do is just type path, go to the edit the system environment variables section of your control panel, and then go to environment variables. You should add it into this path. If you can see this, double click on it, and this, and new. And what you're going to place here is the address, or the full directory address of the Dart SASS. So I'm gonna select it, and I'm gonna copy this address, and I'm gonna add it here in the system variables. So let's click OK. That's OK. So let's see. Let's restart our command prompt, and let's see if it's gonna work. So it's working. It's 1.32.12. So to use it, we're just going to need to watch it, so to speak. Let's go to style directory, and we're gonna type SASS watch, the name of the SCSS or SASS file that you want to watch, and then for me it's style.scss, and then the name of the output that's gonna be in CSS. And it doesn't necessarily have to be made or created when you're going to watch it. They're gonna create it if they didn't find any file that is typed on the same name. So it did not work because I did not place double dash here. S style.scss style.css. So it's working now. We're gonna need another prompt. Let's say I'm gonna change the color from black to blue. Gonna save it, and then voila, style.css has automatically changed.